Our menu for today: Pansit Bihon Guisado, one medium-sized cabbage, one large carrot, 1/4 green beans, 1/4 kilo chicken breast, 1/4 chicken liver, 1/4 chicken gizzard, 1 small-sized bell pepper, 1 medium-sized onion, and 4 cloves of garlic. First, boil the chicken breast for around 5 to 10 minutes. Shred the chicken, then set aside. Add all in a pan. Then put the garlic. Cook for 2 minutes. Put the onion, cook for 2 minutes. Cook the chicken gizzard for 3 minutes. Put the chicken liver. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Put the shredded chicken. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Add the chicken broth before. Then add 1.5 liters of water. Add 1.5 cups of soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add 1 piece of chicken cube. Put 1 sachet of oyster sauce. Mix, then wait until to boil. Put the bihon, cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Put the Canton noodles. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the carrots, cook for 3 minutes. Add the bell pepper. Put the green beans. Cook for 3 minutes. Now put the cabbage. Cook for 2 minutes. It's done and ready to eat. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe for more cooking tutorial.